good day. It's about chiller repair. Today we are here working on Aqua Evo. So this one is chiller number 1. RTAG 190H means 190 TR times 3.5, it's equals to kilowatt. So this is the serial number 4945. So this is the chiller compact, the 2 circuit, 3 chiller, chiller 1, chiller 2 and chiller 3. So this chiller has 2 circuits, the circuit 1 and circuit 2. Okay, so a small review so that you people will understand what is on this chiller, the new design. This is the display monitor board. Okay, display monitor board. So it's already compact, touch screen. This is touch screen already. So and they protected already. They designed it to cover. Okay, this is emergency switch. Anything happen, you just press it. See, turn it back. It's okay. Press it. It's permanently open. Once you need to turn like this, it will close. Now I will show you where is the control board. All these are the control LC PCB. Okay, control PCB, control board, PCB. Okay, PCB. This is the declaration of the unit. Okay, PCB. There's another thing here. This one is the power. Okay, this is the power contactor. You see contactor, bus bar. Okay, this is the fuse from circuit 1, circuit 2. Okay, fan 1, fan 2. Okay, fan 1, fan 2. Okay, fan 1, fan 2. Okay, this is the contactor already. It's fan 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 1 contactor, 1 1 contactor. Then this is the contactor. It has auxiliary contact. There is also CT transformer to read the amps. Okay, now the manual. We are here in the manual. This manual, even though you are a good technician, you are not a too good technician, this depend on the O&M manual. Manual will give you all the details, including error code, evaluation of error code. They are giving solution. So but some are already almost memorized. What is the alarm? They can do it. This chiller doesn't need laptop, so all you need to do is reset it through the screen. They are more friendly, but you need to get access to the password of this one. There must be a password on this one. Okay, see this one, as I said, that is the control. This is the power side. This one is the control side run by 24 volts. We have also 115 volts. We have also 380 volts. 380, not 400. If you look at this one, 0 to 380, 0 to 380, x1, x2, x1, x2, 0 to 115, x3, x4 is 0 to 24 volts. So some of that PCB there is 24 volts easy. And it goes to this fuse to protect before it feed ups to that side. This is the isolator. Okay, isolator. So the new design, the electrical connection is on that. This electrical isolator is on the right and the left side now. Maybe because this one came from China, but I don't know if the unit came from France. This unit is from China. See, it's Trane USA, but made in China. China manufactured this one, so they just patent this one. This unit has circuit 1 and circuit 2. Okay, see, circuit 1, and then circuit 2. See, circuit 2. So just try to do a visual inspection. What I noticed supposed to be in other European product, once you open this one, this bulb is still closed, but this one is already open. This one is already open. The Europe still closed. This one, see, this one is already open. All these bulbs is already open. Okay, this is transducer, pressure switch. This is the transducer. This is unloader. This is the compressor. Okay, this is the bubble return coming from liquid receiver. So in this chiller, it's only very easy to identify which is the discharge pipe. Discharge pipe is not insulated. Suction pipe is here. It is insulated with the suction transducer. Okay. Okay. See, there is a liquid bypass. Liquid will inject inside. If it's too cold, will inject. So the design of this condenser, first time also I see the design of this condenser. There is one here, mostly vertical. There's another one here, horizontal. See, on the bottom line. So it's very difficult now to drop anything on the bottom, because there is another condenser on the bottom. Unlike before, that all we need to do is on the side. But the good thing of this one is not the condenser is not too thick. That is what I understand. It looks like this one is more efficient and more effective, because look at the condenser, it's not too thick, so it's not difficult to maintain. Look at it's already they apply already anti-corrosion paint. Anti-corrosion. So that is chiller number 3. So this is the connection. See, it goes inside here. If you look at this one, this is the transducer, suction transducer, that will read the suction pressure. Read pressure, suction pressure. Okay. The same time they will send signal that the pressure is already low. In and out temperature is here. Okay, this is inlet, this is outlet. Look at this one. Always when you are doing installation, please do not remove this sticker. This is our guide. It's inlet and outlet. So inlet means is the entrance, the water, the entrance of the water. The water will enter in this one, and it will remove the heat. We can cool down to this one. This is outlet. Okay. So this is the heating connection. Okay. This is the butterfly valve. There is Y strainer DN150 is 60 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches. DN150 DRV valve. Okay, that one is for the return. So going to the front, we will connect small pipes with another butterfly valve together with a bypass valve. We'll put bypass and we will put valve, so that the use of the bypass is if we do some back flushing or cleaning something in the system, we don't need to open the chiller side. Okay, we need to put in and out temperature. We need to put also in and out okay, in and out pressure. Then another thing is we need to put flexible rubber flange, that one to prevent from cracking the evaporator. So do not forget to put that rubber flange, it's very important. And also it's mandatory that we need to put flow switch. Flow switch is not for the entrance, not for the inlet. It's supposed to be for the outlet. We will put it in that side, outlet. Okay, but this one is totally damaged. The pipe works. Install the plants already. Okay, then the next one, this one.
This one is better than that one.
Okay, flat one, don't worry.
That one now for
No, that one is for water now.
now for water.
Galvanized for
Yes,
water.
galvanized. If you wear it, before I know, yeah, it will give you problem.
Yeah.
It will start leaking.
I know.
This is the plain one,
Yeah, I know, it's metal we need.
not the one that carry.
That one a galvanized.
That one na galvanized.
It's not galvanized, it's steel. But one thing that I know,
But it
when they
work.
say black steel, those who don't know go and buy it.
But if you weld that one, it will crack now.
It will
will
crack.
crack.
Yes, we need this type.
Because we did it before now, we weld it. It's leaking, we weld it. It turned to remove.
So go pack all. Go pack all with the.
Now, this is the thing now that I can see an issue when they are removing the cable. Voila there. Where is it?
Only this one for one. Only this one. No good.
Wow. That one is not the supplier. This one. I put that one inside here. Let me see. Put the one that I carry. This one. Did we make a drawing first? To demonstrate what we need to do on that chiller. This is new installation, and then the existing pipe is not. They are not complete. So in this drawing, we show you this is the bypass bulb. Bypass. This is the bulb. So butterfly bulb or shut off bulb. This is the DRV valve. No, not DRV. It's strainer. This is the strainer. We have the RV valve. We have also shut off valve here. Why we need the valve? So that once we service this one, we just close the valve. We not disturb the operation. So this is also shut off valve. The use of this one is during operation. You need to open this one so that the water can flow all the way down here. It goes to this side, goes to the EHU. From EHU it goes to the pump. From pump, now we now push it back to the chiller. The cycle like this. Okay, this one is flexible rubber planks to prevent vibration of the chiller. This is the old gauges. This is the thermometer. This is the shut off valve. So the use of this one is this one is very useful, because this one we need, if we do back flushing, we will close this one also, open this one, so the pump will circulate only this one. The flow of this one, it goes on this side, go in this side, it go in this side, now go to the HU, or there is a bypass here, you now go here. You're just cleaning the pipe. Okay, now this is now the connection of the three chiller. So a little bit complicated, but I done it in the blue line. That is the return water. So it means this is the supply. Enter to the supply inlet of the chiller. It will now go out. Inlet is the return of the chiller. This supply is the outlet of the chiller. Cold water is coming here, goes to the EHU. From EHU, they now go back to plant room. Some designs has primary pump and secondary pump. So primary pump used to install on okay, put this one. Okay, to draw it first before we now walk. Please make sure. Oh. Do you have a meter? Meter? Taste it now. Taste it for the meter before we. So this is the panel board on chiller 1. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel. Any issues that you having right now, I am ready to help you as long as I'm not busy. But sorry, sometimes it take time to answer the comments and your questions, because I also has 32 sites to maintain. So I have also more than I think 40 technicians right now. They are reporting to me. Sometimes I don't have time to read this message, but that I'm not too busy, I will read it. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. It's back chiller VRB repair. What is that mean? It's back is heating, ventilating, and air conditioning, and then including duct works, including heating and humidifier for the chiller, big and small, for VRV, any brand. We are maintaining any brand. Thank you, and until the next video. Aqua Ibom. This is Aqua Ibom, Nigeria.